Hello everybody, Aki here. Right now, this is the introduction to Tales of Fantasia. The Tales of series, my favorite game since childhood besides the Final Fantasy games. So, this is my first time, what I mean, first time playing it again in the past 10 years, I think. Yeah, so I hope I finish this playthrough while backlogging the recording of Swordcraft series. Swordcraft series 1. Without further ado, let's play the game. Class. Okay. Let's confirm it. Let's do it. By the way, this is the PS1 version. The one is good enough for, with the voice acting. At first, I'm considering playing the original because of the, effects of the is super funny, sofa, because of the game of that. So right now, I'm conflicted, like, play this or play the original, like that. This is just the, I think, the remake, the remastered of the game. I don't know, but if I am correct, because this is the voice, not the full voice, the full voice version on the PSP. It doesn't have any English patch yet, so excuse me. Okay, right now I am conflicted on it, so I am thinking playing the PS1 or the SNES, but I chose this PS1 versions because it's better. All the things, console version, ICD, you know what I mean. Then I am thinking of of a new game. I think I'm thinking of a new playthrough again. Like I will cycle it, new game, then back in Summon Night and others, especially Dredge. I've neglected it, but I will play it offline first because you know I renew I renew everything like that. So I need to do that first before going in again. But I hope this game can you enjoy it, everyone. thank and always thank you for watching. Hmm. Oh, hello Kles. Has it been that long already? At my age, it becomes hard to tell. Kles, how's your mother doing? Getting better? Hmm. So anyway, I called you down here to speak with you about your pendant. Oh, hold on, big brother. Would you tell Kles that I have a little surprise for him? Anything from her little sis. See you later. Is that Chester I hear? Well, in that case, we'll resume our talk over dinner instead. Okay, thanks, Dad. Master, Master Tristan, please make yourself at home. Sorry about the wait. Nah, it's all good. Anyway, did you guys invite the circus over? It's so loud from out here. You'd think everyone in there's after each other's necks or something. Plus, actually Master came by. The Master? Oh, you mean that old guy Tristan? He hardly looks like he can hold a sword, doesn't he? I heard he gave my dad some tough lessons way back in his instructor days and class. Huh, Mom? You should come out here until you're better. I know, but I'm more concerned about you two. I don't want to see you boys come home wounded, so be careful. We know. Chester's have his bow and I'll have my sword. We can handle this. Yeah? No need to be worried about us, Mom. We're just gonna go hunt in the woods like usual. We'll bring back enough game to feed everyone for a month. Sounds good, but don't go overboard, you hear? And take this with you. Just in case you run into unexpected trouble. Okay, thank you. Well, looks like we're done here. Yeah, let's do it. Oh, hold on a sec. I almost forgot. Ami said she has a little surprise waiting for you. Default Village of Totus. Where are you, little sister? Oh, hello class. Here, I made it. Acquired stop class. Ow! Stop toy. Okay. It's a doll that looks like this. Haha, you did a good job. Midnight sewing, huh? Excuse me. So that's why you've been going to bed later than me. Thank you. I'll treasure it. So sis, aren't you forgetting someone? Oh, big brother's so sad. Oh, sheesh. Fine, you big baby. You can have this. Wait, what? Channeling ring? Oh, hello, Class. You frightened me there. I don't know if I've told you this yet, but our marriage ceremony is next month. Oh, I can't wait. There's still so much planning to do and arrangements to make though. We were talking about it just moments ago. This is Maple Bridge. It's been here for ages. According to village folklore, vows of love and exchange here will never die. Where people got that idea, I'll never know. Hey, Akles, you'd better find a lady of your own soon. Hey, Akles, looks like you're off to hunt again. I wish I could tag along. I'm so bored just standing here all day. Every day when the last time I even rang this thing. Anyway, I suppose peace is a good thing, but if something doesn't happen soon, I'm probably gonna get laid off. Oh, excuse me. Teach me about swordplay, bro. I wanna get all strong and buff. Oh, I can't wait for my turn to be a bride too. I travel all around the world. I have to say, this village is nice with its abundance of nature. I have been here for long, but I already feel at home in this place. Oh, thank you for the compliment. Okay. Hey, Clis. Going home already, master. Actually, a stranger just come by with an urgent summons. He didn't tell me what it was for though. Really, it was rather rude. Now where are you off? Our favorite hunting spot, the forest to the south, will bring back something even you'll be impressed with. I see, you're very diligent. Okay. Okay. Skit, so a little bit of dialogue. Talking about.
そういう思いだって気合入ってるじゃないか。獲物をたくさん取って帰るってアミと約束したからな。それじゃ頑張らないわけにはいかないな。おお、そういうことか。なあ、前から思ってる。アルバイトのケースはバンダナをするつもりでもある。別にいない。前の親父さんやお母さんなんかもバンダナを捨てるじゃないか。でもトリスタン師匠はしてない。確かにあのじいさんハゲちまってますな。よし、トーティスの南の森の狩りに行く。大物が取れるといいな。ああ、そうだね。よし、トーティスの南の森の狩りに行く。大物が取れるといいな。ああ、そうだね。
Okay. Finish tying up my hair. Is this one the first right? Yeah, I think so. Dude, look about power. Oh, after it. Oh. Wait, what? Okay. I forgot the controls na. Wait. Wait. Oh, okay. Here. There you go. There you go. New art. Okay. Okay. Ahead. You're getting away from us. Okay. Ow! Oh my god. Should I run? Yep. Okay, escape. Well, that was stupid of me. Okay, let's go. Oh god. Bro. I am dead. Okay. Stupid me. See? Huh? I lost sight of it. Well, not like it could have gone very far. I'm gonna backtrack a little. But it didn't run back here. Okay. Don't worry, I will not harm it. Okay. No luck. How about you? Hey, everything alright, buddy? You look like you just saw a ghost or something. Yeah, there it is. Okay. There you go. Oh shit. You. There you go. Wow, we got a huge one. Yeah, mommy won't be disappointed by this sucker. Well, time to go home and share the wealth. What the? That's that's the village spell. What's going on? Gotta hurry. The tree of spirits is said that the spirit inhabits this tree. We request everyone's cooperation in preserving it for future generations. Holy! Let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh! Oh dear. Hurry up, hurry up. Okay. Holy. I need to get home. Dad, please. Is your mother safe? Dad, what happened? Mom. Hang on. You must run away. Go see your uncle in Euclid to the north. They came for your pendant. Who did? Who the hell could do this? They hadn't taken me hostage. Your father. No. Mom. Open your eyes. Just there. Sister, it isn't safe here. We got to run away. My uncle in Euclid will help us. You're saying we should just leave Ami and the others to rot like this? To hell with that. Go by yourself if you're that heartless. Every single person here deserves a proper burial. I'm more than willing to do it alone if I have to. But if the guys who attack come back, you could be killed. Sorry, Class. I just there. Don't worry about me, man. Go on ahead. It's too risky for both of us to stick around there anyway. I'll follow you soon. Count on it. That's a promise. Yeah, a promise. Promise to get the bastards who did this. Yeah. They came for your pendant. All this over the pendant that gave me. Get together fast that way. You should leave Chester alone. Okay. Done. A sword doesn't belong to me or that. Idata kasi bigbayan. Okay, thank you for the sword, mate. Far more better than other sword though. Oh, they really wrecked this place, huh? Okay. Okay, this is the end of the live stream, the recording session, and thank you for watching as always, everyone, and have a great day ahead. Bye bye.